Hi, good morning, good morning, good morning mga Kabochog TV for today's video mga kadabis. Bantay itlog, syempre hindi na po napisa yata. Tingnan natin. So yun nga, hindi na po napisa yung isang itlog. So tatanggalin na po natin yan dyan, sayang. So ngayon is magpatuka muna tayo at magpainom tayo ng tubig. Kasi gutom na yan sila. Ito rin yung kabila yung kanilang kapitbahay. Yan. Patuka tayo. Ngayon, nakabang kayo Wait lang. Excuse. Nauna kayo. Ano? Tag-isa kayo. So, dyan. Yan yung lang. Gutom na. Abang na, wait lang. Kain kayo dyan, kain. Abusin yan Siyempre. Kayo naman. Kainin yan. Yun na mga kabochog. Kunin na natin yung itlog kasi hindi na po siya mapipisa. Yun na po. Hello. Natulog ka dyan mga kadabi. Yan. So mamaya kain ka was always dressed up as different characters by her mom everywhere she went. She became the center of attention. But one day, she went out in a dull gray dress and even got laughed at by two strangers. The next second, she suddenly took off her hood, undid the buttons, and spun in a circle. She turned into a gorgeous princess. Later, she dressed up as her favorite character and rushed over to give the bunny officer a huge hug. The fox beside them instantly looked disappointed. So the girl quickly ran back, and gave him a huge hug too. On her way home, the girl suddenly got sad and stayed in her mom's arms. That was when she met the boy in kindergarten. The boy walked over and said hello. Not long after that, the two secretly started holding hands. They went to amusement parks together, shared snacks together, and slowly became best friends. They wanted to stay together every single day. But then, her dad suddenly got jealous. He tried to stop them from leaving so much. But she threw a huge temper. In the end, the dad gave up and bought her favorite. So yun na nga mga kabochog, hanggang dito na lang po muna. Bye! Yan, tapos na kayo kumain naglilimlim na uli. Inom ka tubig. Bye mga kabochog!